Hello guys! So quick update lang. Since 2025, 8.11% September, na medyo nag-loss lang tayo last October, -12. Pero bumawi tayo nung November, 80%. No? And then tinapos natin ang 2025 with December, 5.08 gain. Ngayon, 2026 naman, starting January, 7.11% gain. February, 22.74. And March, ito medyo malaki, no? 54.74% gain. And right now, April, 3.78% gain, and this is ongoing. No, this is, by the way, our mean reversion for Light Finance na EA. No, this is the graph niya. And then if you want to copy, no, for all other details, nandito po lahat sa ating MyFX book. We can actually have the Monte Carlo simulation here. For example, you will copy ask for 200, no, and then let's forecast. Ito po yung magiging trades ninyo, no, or ito yung magiging result niya for the 10 years. No, wait lang natin si MyFX book. Currently nagda-loading siya. So ito, may forecasting na rin dito. So ayan, no, ito na yung ating forecast niya, Monte Carlo simulation. So for the best, you can actually have 7.99k sa year 2036, no. For the worst naman, 5.70k year 2036. Mga average lang 6.82k year 2036. So if iiwan mo to ng 10 years, no, copying our trades. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Again, this is the statistics. Kompleto po yan. You can go sa aming Light Finance, MyFX book. Nandyan po yung link sa baba. If you want to copy as well, we are available sa Light Finance. Thank you so much.